All right. Hi, everyone. So, Lalilo is one of the literacy websites I found for kindergarten, first, and second grade teachers and students that covers a lot of the five essentials of reading. However, I'm going to focus on phonics since I think that's the most important skill to master at these specific grade levels. So, right now, we're looking at a teacher facing um, Lalilo page. So right here, all your students will be listed and you can add a student by clicking this and then adding in their name. So all of your students will be listed over here on the left. And then right here are all the different lessons that they're going to take. So there's consonants 1, short vowels, there's consonants 2, there's digraphs, S blends, L blends, R blends, and it keeps going on and on. And it's really awesome because this gives you so much accurate and concrete raw data to use when like developing small group instruction and just figuring out how you can better support each individual student and what they need help with. So this, of course, this lesson hasn't been completed, so it says not tackled yet, but it will say over here on the side, um, it will say whether they're doing great, it'll be green, it'll be yellow if it says they're still learning, or it'll say red here if it needs help, which is really helpful to go through and see like what students are excelling at and what their weaknesses are. If you click details over here on the right, it shows you even more data from the students' activity. So here it shows you, the standards, their success rate, the number of questions they were asked, and the time that they were spent completing each lesson. Over here, I think it's really cool. They show you the number of active days. Blue stands for, whether they were completing it at school, or yellow, whether they were completing it at home. I also really like these color markers telling you whether, they're proficient, whether they're developing or beginning in each of these lessons. So right now I'm going to show you what Lalilo looks like from a student-facing perspective. So once they go to this website, they will be seeing, click on your classroom to begin. So I'll just click Miss B's class.
Now click on your name.
It tells you to click on your name. And then this pops up, which is a really cool visual, just trying to get, students engaged and excited about what they're about to learn.
Hello, Explorer. Are you ready to go on an adventure? Before we begin, we'll do some training to know exactly where you are in your learning. Concentrate and try your best so that we can find the best starting point for you in the worlds of Lalilo. When you're ready to begin, click on Let's Go.
Another thing I really like about this program is that they make kids take a placement quiz so that they're starting at a level that's appropriate for them. So we click Let's Go.
Listen carefully and complete the words you hear.
It says to listen carefully, so they say what the word is, and you're supposed to click on the 2 letters that make that sound. So sleep, soul.
Flag.
Next word is flag. I love that they show a visual of the picture. That way you can do this without the sound as well.
Small.
Next one is small. Sm.
Listen carefully and complete the words you hear.
So I like that now this is focusing on the ending sounds. So drink, nk.
Frog.
And now this is focusing on the beginning. So frog would be frog.
Train.
Train, tur.
Listen carefully and click on the word you hear. Came.
So now they're not showing the visual and you're supposed to listen. So came. So I really like this exercise because it really helps them develop their language. And alongside with this, there's so many other phonics exercises as well. This is just one example of one that kids will go through. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching my Lalilo tutorial and thanks for watching.